Alright, let's see if we can make the 30 run. We're going back to old school. Carbureted HEI distributor, low pressure fuel pump. The Phytech quit. Check it out. So for this project today, we are going to take out the high pressure fuel pump, try to install a low pressure fuel pump, and maybe route some new fuel lines so we can go straight to the carburetor. I had some fuel pumps somewhere. I thought oh, there's a stem up here? No, that's air cleaner adapter. And some fuel pumps. Nope. Nope. What's in this box? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Yeah. Check that out. Fuel pumps. For those who haven't seen the inside of the Dirty 30 before, it's pretty stock. That's pretty sweet, 20 mil shell. And we got ourselves our nice little belts. New gauges. These are nice. Got those Equus upgrades. Those are fun. And then there's where my Phytech computer sat. But it quit on me, so Phytech, I'm not impressed. All right, old pump's out. This is a high pressure pump. It still works. I may just end up either keeping this. It's a Phytech pump. You see there, still a good pump. Maybe I'll sell it. You don't just have to use it on Phytech. It's a high pressure pump. Actually, you know what? Something tells me I'm gonna need this in the future. I think I got two of them. We had to make some modifications. This did not want to come out, so I cut it. Who cares? We got our new pump now, ready to go in. Just a little off-the-shelf Edelbrock low pressure. This is 38 GPH and 4 to 7 PSI. You can see right there. As you can see, we have our new pump in. It's mounted and the hose are connected. Now we're going to work on the wiring. Okay, so for the wiring, I think I'm gonna do like a quick disconnect to the positive just in case. I need to remove it at any point in time and I don't have to like undo a splicing. Plus QDs, you know, they work. It's better than a wire nut, and then better than like constantly splicing if I can just unplug it and plug it back in, right? I think we're gonna do that. Would you look at that? I've got one male end. Now let's see if I can find the female ends. There they are. Alright, so here's my temporary setup. We got our power. We got our ground done. Again, there's the pump. This is the QD. It just pops in. Well, I'll show you here. You'll see it. Let me see. And we're right there. Just like that, it disconnects. And then you put it back together when you want to get power. Now we're going to try routing that new fuel line all the way to the front into the carburetor. And just like that, our new fuel line is routed, coming up from under the frame, right in through here, and into our Edelbrock. We're getting close. I am curious. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. We got the low pressure pump installed so we can run the carburetor. And we routed a main fuel line. Pretty sweet. Like, subscribe. Keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Check out my channels over at TikTok, Robbie Sucks 21 and Robbie Sucks. And if you haven't heard about it, I've got another channel, Robbie Sucks Shorts, on YouTube as well, where I post daily shorts where you can see little things that I've knocked out here and there. Keep coming back. I love you guys. We'll see you next time. Peace.
What's up, Fresh? It's our return, baby.